Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change resolution on your FIFA 23. Okay, so first of all we have to open the customize settings. Next we have to open normal settings and go for the game settings. Right now we have to go for the right side and we have to go for display configuration. And as you can see, the resolution appears on the first place. Basically this option we can choose here the quality settings for our system, so we can go with the left stick to the right or to the left and we can pick any resolution that we want to apply. For sure I'm gonna stay with the 16:9, that's the best resolution for my monitor. If you want to apply this change, just go back. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.